So here's a little update on what I've been doing with the car. I just recently got this. I've been doing some tweaks here and there to a stereo that I'm building. And so far I've been hooking up stuff, testing stuff. I have a ground wire that's bad from the car harness to the radio harness, so I have my radio, my EQ or preamp as some people call it. I have it hooked up to the car body as ground. So just I'm gonna be doing this unboxing to show you guys what's inside and how it looks like and all that good stuff. Now this is the Xs power battery, as you guys can see, and it's the D3400. So first I will need a knife to open it, or I can use these keys. So I'm using one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other hand. So let's see what's inside. I'm excited. I've been waiting almost 2 weeks for this battery. So here you have what's just I guess instruction and sort of a manual or something like that, how to handle the battery and stuff like that. So 2 stickers. What else? Warranty and all that stuff. And of course, here is the Joker. So terminal screws, I'm guessing. Oh man, this is probably gonna be heavy. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, that's heavy. My goodness. Heavier than what I thought. And there you have it. Wow, that's nice how it brings the little handle. And that's the battery. Inside the box, there is this little plastic thing. Oh, they were on top of the terminals like that probably, and they just got loose, came off. And that's it. Pretty easy unboxing, huh? This is how it looks like from all angles. And that's it. Thank you for watching.